Fuel prices keep rising, and your wallet feels it every time you hit the pump. But what if you could save money just by changing how you drive? In today's video, we're breaking down 10 fuel-saving hacks that are easy to follow and can make a real difference. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive acceleration. Driving aggressively, such as sudden acceleration, harsh braking, and rapid lane changes, can significantly increase your fuel consumption. Instead, practice smooth and steady driving, which keeps your engine operating efficiently. Gradual acceleration reduces the stress on your vehicle's components and allows better combustion in the engine. By accelerating gently and anticipating traffic flow, you'll avoid unnecessary braking and re-acceleration. This habit is especially important in city driving where stop-and-go traffic is common. It also helps preserve your brakes and transmission system over time. The smoother you drive, the more fuel and maintenance costs you'll save in the long run. Number 2. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder and use more fuel to move your vehicle. It's important to check your tire pressure at least once a month using a reliable gauge. Always inflate your tires to the manufacturer's recommended PSI, which you can find in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Proper tire pressure not only improves fuel economy but also extends the life of your tires. Driving on correctly inflated tires also ensures better traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Overinflated tires should also be avoided as they can lead to uneven wear. Well-maintained tires make every trip safer and more fuel efficient. Number 3. Reduce excess weight in your vehicle. Every extra kilogram in your vehicle requires additional energy to move. Carrying unnecessary items, especially in the trunk or on the roof, increases your car's overall weight and lowers your fuel efficiency. It's a good habit to clean out your car regularly and remove tools, equipment, or sports gear that you don't need on a daily basis. Roof racks and carriers add even more weight and aerodynamic drag, making your engine work harder, especially at highway speeds. Removing them when not in use can make a noticeable difference. Number 4. Maintain a steady speed when driving. Constantly changing your speed, especially on the highway, wastes fuel. Keeping a consistent pace allows your engine to run more efficiently and reduces the frequency of fuel-hungry accelerations. Cruise control is a great tool to help maintain steady speeds, especially on long trips. If you're driving manually, try to anticipate changes in traffic to avoid unnecessary speed variations. Smooth, even acceleration and deceleration reduces strain on your car and improves fuel economy. Driving at moderate and consistent speeds also lowers stress and can make your journey more relaxing. In most cases, steady driving beats speeding when it comes to saving fuel. Number 5. Combine short trips into one longer trip. Cold engines use more fuel than warm ones, and short trips don't allow your engine to reach its optimal temperature. By combining errands or activities into one outing, your engine stays warm longer and runs more efficiently. For example, rather than making 3 separate trips to the store, gym, and bank, group them together. This not only saves fuel but also reduces wear and tear on your engine. Starting a cold engine multiple times uses more fuel than running a warm one continuously. Planning your route in advance can also help you avoid backtracking. Smart trip planning makes both time and fuel go further. Number 6. Turn off your engine when parked or waiting. Idling your car wastes fuel and contributes to unnecessary emissions. Modern engines are designed to use very little fuel when starting, so it's more efficient to turn off your engine if you'll be stopped for more than a minute. This includes situations like waiting at a long traffic stop, picking someone up, or waiting in line. Even though it might seem like a small act, it adds up over time, especially if you frequently idle your vehicle. Some newer cars even come with automatic stop-start systems to handle this efficiently. Reducing idling not only saves fuel but also lowers your carbon footprint. A quiet, off engine is often the smarter choice. Number 7. Use air conditioning wisely. Air conditioning can increase fuel consumption, especially in city driving or during idling. The AC compressor puts additional load on the engine, which requires more fuel to operate. On cooler days or at lower speeds, consider using the fan or opening windows instead. However, at highway speeds, open windows can create drag that might be worse than using the AC. The key is to use air conditioning only when necessary and to set it at a moderate level. Regularly maintaining your AC system also helps keep it running efficiently. Finding the right balance helps you stay comfortable without sacrificing fuel economy. Number 8. Get regular engine tune UPS. A well-maintained engine performs more efficiently and uses less fuel. Ignoring engine maintenance can lead to poor combustion, clogged filters, and spark plug issues, all of which reduce mileage. Regular tune-ups, including oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug inspections, keep your engine running smoothly. These small maintenance tasks can add up to significant fuel savings over time. If your check engine light is on, it could be affecting fuel economy more than you realize. A quick diagnostic test can help prevent further fuel waste. An engine in peak condition delivers the best performance and fuel efficiency. Number 9. Plan routes to avoid traffic and hills. Using GPS apps or traffic reports before you leave can help you choose the most fuel-efficient route. Stop-and-go traffic, long idling periods, and hilly roads all use more fuel than flat, free-flowing ones. By planning your journey to avoid traffic congestion, you reduce unnecessary stops and accelerations. It's also helpful to travel during off-peak hours when roads are clearer. Some modern apps suggest eco-friendly routes that use less fuel. Avoiding steep hills when possible also decreases the strain on your engine. Strategic route planning saves fuel, time, and reduces stress during your commute. Number 10. Monitor your fuel consumption. Keeping track of how much fuel you're using helps identify when your car is using more than normal. A sudden drop in mileage could indicate a mechanical issue or poor driving habits. Many modern cars have onboard computers that display real-time fuel economy. Use this information to adjust your driving style for better results. You can also manually track your mileage by recording kilometers and fuel at each fill-up. Over time, this helps you understand how different conditions affect fuel use. Monitoring your fuel usage keeps you aware and motivates more efficient driving habits. Awareness is the first step to saving money and fuel. There you have it, 10 simple but powerful fuel-saving hacks to keep more money in your pocket and less at the pump. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next car care video. Safe travels!